Amerikani Boston shtatidan bu ham Doniyor Beyni Florida shtatidan biladi. Willie McClinton. Dr. Willie McClinton.
All right, thanks everyone for the opportunity to speak on behalf of Donnie, a true friend and a brother.
Amaniga Doniyorni yonida turib gapirishimdan juda ham xursandman. Meni haqiqiy ukam.
I also want to thank his family, who has been so kind and welcoming to me over the years. They feel as if they are my own.
Va albatta Doniyor oilasiga katta rahmat. Shuncha yildan beri xuddi meni o'zimning oilamdagi menga qarashadi va har doim meni xuddi o'g'illarni o'g'illardek tutishadi.
Over the last almost 10 years of knowing Donnie through school and work, I've seen him go through many tough times and successes, and he's consistently been an inspiration to me, being persistent, courageous, and keep on going through, and for inspiration for me to keep on going through my own journey.
Oxirgi 10 yildan beri Willini taniyman. Willini yaxshi va yomon kunlarida ko'rganman va har doim qanaqa qilib hayotga yondashishi meni o'zimning hayotimdagi ishlarimga ham yordam beradi va shunga o'zimga ilhom bag'ishlaydi.
As our life continues, there will be many more challenges and many more successes, and I will be happy to be on his side through all of them.
Yana hayot davom etar ekan, men har doim yaxshi yomon kunlarda Doniyor yonimda bo'lishini xohlayman va yaxshi yomon kunlarda Doniyorni yonida aka sifatida, uka sifatida yurishni xohlayman.
And then as for the bride, I want to congratulate her and her family for this day. Donnie has proven himself a great man to me, and I know from the bottom of my heart that Donnie and his family will take care of him.
Va yangi kelayotgan kelinga kelsak, kelinga va oilalarga bu juda ham ajoyib oilaga xush kelibsiz deymiz. Men Doniyor shunchalik bilib turib aytamanki, Doniyor juda ham yaxshi turmush o'rtog'i bo'ladi va Doniyor oilasi bu kelinga haqiqiy oila bo'ladi.
It is truly a great family to become a part of.
Juda ham ajoyib oila va hammani tabriklayman.